That's a little,
That's actually a good sized croaker too.
it is a croaker. Yeah, it is.
Look at that.
Way to go, Tim.
On a crab.
On a crab.
Killer crab.
Killer crab, largemouth bass.
Unbelievable.
He's nice.
Alright, looks like we got another little red here.
He's a small one.
Oh, not bad, not bad.
He's smaller than the last one. He's still probably 12, 14. That's,
Yeah, it's not
I
bad.
think that last one maybe
A red's a red. Alright, yeah, a little red, he's a little red.
Well, they're not quite the size we want to catch, but we're definitely catching reds. That's okay though.
You can go out and tell your grandpa there's some crabs up here. Got into something here, let's see what it is.
Going toward the trolling motor.
Oh, looks like a decent cat. He might be headed towards the grease, I don't know.
If you want him, we'll keep him.
Around the front of the motor, that way.
There you go. No, get me in here.
Yeah, just
Go.
oh, baby.
Way to go, Tim.
Love it, love it.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a black drum, that's what it is. The sheephead got some terrible mouths on.
Yeah.
Yeah, big cat.
Bigger cat, isn't he? All right. Well, you're gonna have some fish tonight to clean. A little red. Another small one. Probably a little bigger than that. He's no bigger than the other ones we were catching. Look the bait up above him though.
Nice red though.
Hold on. Right there at the end, he put up a little fight, didn't he?
Yeah. Some business here?
Maybe.
Has he come up at all? He's staying down there. Yeah,
It is a channel.
Yeah, I want a channel cat.
I think we probably could run on with it.
Let's see what we got this
Oh, there's
time.
another little red.
Another little red.
You hear that? He's a little bigger, maybe.
We'll call Keith Little Red.
That was about number 8, 7, or 8
Yeah.
when we caught the other.
We'd be limited out if they were big enough.
Yeah, that's just another cat. Is that another channel?
Yeah, that's what it looked like.
That's interesting.
Oh yeah, that's a good one there.
Another channel cat, man.
Sweet yellow meat.
You want to keep that? Yeah, these channels are, I'm surprised there's many of them over here.
That's a big one there. Keep working them, boy, working them. He hasn't came up. That's the only bad thing. He hasn't came up. He's staying down there. Oh, that's a red. I saw the tail.
Did you?
Yeah, big orange tail on it.
Yeah, I think I'm going to have to.
Right there.
You're going to need a net on this one.
Where's the net at? Oh man, that's a big red. Don't hit. Because I can't see anything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Finally.
About time. Gotta keep it red. Oh yeah, it's nice.
Measure that now.
Red drum slayer.
Look at him run.
Oh,
I bet they're
yeah.
a lot away from that pier, aren't you?
Yes, he's going with the wind, man. Wind and current.
He hit it once before he took it. He's coming in now. There you go.
Yeah, just watch him. Let me know where he's at.
I'm gonna have to go find the boat. He's over here.
Oh man, he went all the way around us.
That's a boy
Let's just get him in.
Right there. You got him.
All we gotta do.
He took her on.
That one's probably 25.
Yeah, he'd be a little bigger than one.
Nice work, Keith. Nice work.